Hey friends, Steve Ozist, your go-to guy for all things applications here at Fullerton. Today we're diving deep into the world of high-performance milling with our game-changing end mill, the 3125 VMAC, specifically tailored to aerospace alloys. Staggered flute geometry limit vibration, enhanced flute design improves chip control and reduces cutting forces, allowing for more aggressive speeds and feeds. Unsurpassed performance in milling high-temp alloys, produces superior part finishes. Our FC21 coating resists fatigue and microchipping. Available stub and standard, industry-exclusive full axial design for high-efficiency milling. When it comes to our VMAC, the results speak volumes. Just listen to this. Reduced cycle time from 11 minutes to 2 minutes in 718 Inconel. Extended tool life from 45 minutes to 60 minutes in 625 Inconel. Expanded in-machine time, machining 18 parts compared to 2 parts in Hastelloy X. This end mill isn't just making waves, it's causing a storm in the industry with its aggressive speeds and feeds. Now let's get in the machine and crank up those speeds and feeds. See why the aerospace alloy cutters are setting industry expectations for performance and value.